Hey guys, happy 2021. This is most likely gonna be my first video of 2021. So I hope that you guys had a good New Year's kickoff. Before I forget, please don't forget to subscribe down below. I would love to have you for 2021. I just really have a good feeling about 2021. There's gonna be so much more content, so make sure that you are subscribed down below for sure. Also, excuse my nails. I just took off my press-ons because I've had those on since literally the summer. I really like them, but I just feel like I should start with some fresh nails for the year. Either way, I wanted to put on some new like nail press-on designs or whatnot, which you guys will see very soon. I actually made a whole ass list of everything that I want to get done in today's video for the new year. I just sort of feel like I need to get these things done in order to correctly like start 2021. I actually ordered a new bedding from Target. It's the same one that I have already, but it's just like a new fresh bedding. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but I want to do that. And I also got some drawer dividers from Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys like how I reorganize my drawer. It's been a minute since I've actually sat down and like really looked at everything that I have in that drawer. I'm also gonna do laundry. I'm gonna like dust my room, clean it a little bit because some things are just super disorganized. We're also taking down some Christmas decorations. So that's basically what we're gonna be doing, just cleaning, reorganizing. I honestly just love the feeling that I get after I clean everything, reorganize, get rid of things that you don't actually use or need. Like, it's just the best feeling ever. I hope this video really inspires you guys to tackle some cleaning, whether it's like in your room, apartment, home, whatever it is. I'm also gonna do another one of these for my closet. We have a lot to do before the new year. Let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and subscribe. I think I said that already. I had so much dirty laundry, so I just kind of like put that to wash. I actually didn't bother doing my bed this morning because I'm finally getting rid of this bedspread. This one is honestly very old. Like, once you start to get close to it, you like start noticing all the little marks. There's just a lot of like peeling. This comforter is also like pinch pleated, so it has like this little like detail where like it's supposed to look like it's pinched and kind of give that illusion, but some of them have kind of like unstitched, so that's why I felt like I needed a new one. I actually went ahead and ordered the same one from Target. Fun fact, this is actually from like the little kids bedding, but they literally have like sizes twin and queen. I think it's only like $30 or $40. I basically ordered the same one. I honestly can't really have super fancy bedding because I do have a dog. I did decide to grab the same one. It's honestly very inexpensive. I could actually have it linked down below for you guys because I honestly really like it. It also does come with 2 shams as well. I think I'm also going to throw those 2 out and just replace them with like some new, fresh, clean ones because it's honestly been a while. I'm honestly very excited. Like, I've had this for a minute now, but I've just been waiting to film this video. I'm so happy. It looks much more like clean and it's just purely white and there's like no little like things on it. Once again, I will have this one linked down below for you guys in case you're interested. I've also had these pillows for a while now, so I'm probably gonna start looking like for a new look just because like I'm getting a little bit tired of those. I will keep you guys updated whenever that changes, but for now I have at least like a new fresh bedding, so yeah. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and take down this little mini Christmas tree that I had in my room. I actually got this one from Target, but I don't know, I think it's time to put it away. We're gonna go ahead and store it back in its little box. I don't know if this is weird, but every year in the beginning, I like to restock in products that I use almost every day. I recently went to Target. Obviously, I feel like I basically live there at this point. But I was actually running out of body wash, so I got this big thing of the Dove renewing body wash. Lately I've been buying like jumbo things only because they don't run out as often. This will definitely last me a few months actually. I really like how it has like the pump. I also did go ahead and restock in my shampoo and conditioner. I just get the pink bottle honestly because it's cute and it smells like good. I'm not a hairstylist or hair professional, so I don't know how effective these actually are, but for me, I mean, they get the job done. Honestly, I think after I'm done with these, I'm probably gonna try the Olaplex ones just because I do want to kind of like upgrade and put better products in my hair, since technically your scalp is also like your skin, so I want to take better care of it. I also do use a little bit of Head and Shoulders before I put those two on, and I also did grab 2 little Celsius. These are literally great if you need an extra boost of energy, and they're so good compared to like other energy drinks. I just feel like these are a healthier way to get more energy into your body. I got the kiwi guava flavor, and I also got this grapefruit melon flavor. They're like my favorite drinks ever. The only thing I don't like about those is that they're always sold out, which gets so annoying. I almost forgot, but here are a few more items that I got from Target recently for the new year. This I actually didn't really need, but I mean, it was so cute and it was only $10. This little plant is going to be so cute in the living room shelf that I just put up recently. I just love the color of the plant, and like I said, it was literally only $10 from the Target decor section. And I also did get a new Mrs. Meyer's. This is like a multi-surface everyday cleaner. I love spraying this on towels and then using it to wipe down different surfaces. So I got this one for this year, and I did get some little storage plastic bins, and this is actually for a different video. This is like for my closet organization. So basically today I'm just gonna finish everything that I wanted to do. I actually got another one of these little crates from Target. In here I have another one of those. I just have like my everyday things or just like certain skincare items that I never finished using. I basically got another one to put on this side. As you can tell, this side is like a complete mess. On this side I keep more of like my extra items, just like things I don't really use all the time or just like things that I have a lot of. I basically want to like put as much as I can in here and just kind of like have it there just so they could both kind of match on either side. I think that's the first thing I'm gonna do because as you can tell, this is just like not cute. It's so overwhelming, and yeah, I've just been wanting to get rid of this mess for a while now. It's been a few minutes later. Just reorganized this little like metal basket. I did put all of my pads towards the back so it could be facing that way and not like the front way. I also have extra like shaving cream, contact solution, another razor. I have a bunch of like soaps from Christmas that I didn't use, but I'm still gonna use them throughout the year. I have extra toothbrushes for like visitors. I have my little dental floss thingies, and I also have a few more like makeup remover wipes because these are perfect for when I get home super late. Obviously these items didn't fit, so I think I'm gonna leave these in their original packaging. They are just not gonna fit on here. Let me actually see what this looks like. It looks a lot more organized. That definitely looks a lot better, like everything being in one little section. I think this idea is so good if you have a lot of like extra items. It just looks so much more cleaner and together. I recently got these drawer dividers from Amazon. I believe I got 4 of them. Let me actually check before I even start organizing everything. Yeah, so it looks like I got 4 of them, which is perfect because I want to put it on these 2 and then the other 2. While I'm at it, I'm also gonna check if there's any clothing I really just don't want anymore. I think for the most part I have cleaned up my items really well, but I just feel like these will kind of add a little bit more like organization to them. I could definitely link these down below for you guys. I think they're gonna like like work so well. I'm gonna look through these. I'm also gonna look through like this drawer. I feel like those two drawers are gonna be even worse. I'm also selling a bunch of clothing right now on my Poshmark. I will also have my Poshmark linked in the description box for you guys in case you want to shop for some gently used clothing. I also have random things on there like plates and bowls and stuff like that. Most likely I will find more items in these drawers that I just need to part ways with, so I will be putting up those items on Poshmark as well. So yeah, I'm gonna start going through these. This is definitely gonna take a while. This literally took me forever, you guys, especially this one right here. I have so many shirts from like middle school and high school that I just don't want to part ways with because they like have my name in the back or just like things like that. For all of those shirts, like I have them in this little section. And then I have more recent like college shirts from like events and stuff like that right here. And I just have a beanie, some mittens, and then my hat. This drawer just had so many unnecessary things, so I took a good amount of them out of here. This drawer right here, I just have like my jean shorts and then jean pants. I have a bunch of like joggers and like comfy pants and then like all sorts of skirts in the back. And this one I have all of like my more comfy workout shorts, and then I have my leggings over here. On this side in the back I have all of like my set active tops and just like workout tops, and then I have random t-shirts that I use to work out. And then the very last one is just like my PJs. This was another one that I really had to clean out because I had so many like ugly PJs with like holes in them. On this side I have shorts, and then I have like my longer like PJ pants, and then I have some comfy socks back there. And then on this one I just have all my tops, so I have like my short sleeve tops and then like my long sleeve top slash button ups. So yeah, these look so much more organized, especially this one. Like I mentioned, it was so ugly, so it looks so much better. On the bed I just kind of threw all the items that I either want to try out or sell, just things that I don't really want or that I don't really wear. So I'm definitely going to try a lot of these on and see if I want to like part ways with it or keep them. Definitely check out my Poshmark because a good amount of these might be on there. So the next thing that I'm about to do is just to like take off all of the Christmas decorations. So I'm going to take off these little stockings that I put up, this little garland from Target, all the things on the shelf. I think I already showed you guys this little plant, but I'm gonna put it like on the shelf. I think it's gonna look so cute. I guess my mom left the Christmas lights there, so I'm gonna store those. And I also have a little throw blanket from Target, so I might put that one away too. On this little cart I have some little Christmas trees that I'm gonna put away. I might wipe this down too, we'll see. And then I also need to figure out where to put the little furry white skirt from the Christmas tree. Recently I started using these little containers that I got from Target just to like store all of my fall things and Christmas things. In both of these I just kind of have all my Christmas items. I'm gonna try to squeeze as many as I can in here because I don't really want to use a third one. Finally took off all of the Christmas related items. It does look a little bit empty right now, but later on I'm gonna add more items and stuff like that. This little plant though, it looks so cute. I do want to add like a picture frame or something over here, but I guess we'll see later on. Somehow I did manage to properly fit most of the items in these two, so I'm gonna close these up in this one. Okay, so yeah, what I really like about these is that you could stack them on top of each other. I don't know if I'm gonna leave them in my closet that's in my room or if I'm gonna store them somewhere like out here in the living room area. Either way, I really love these and they were only like a few dollars, so I could have these linked down below for you guys as well. I couldn't fit the stockings in there because they were too bulky, so I left them here. And I also put the throw blankets, I put some Christmas lights somewhere in there, and then the Christmas tree skirt is in there too. Basically all of the more bulkier items are on here. Yeah, that's my update.